a project manager of the Atal Setu, has also spoken over this, and he has given an explanation for where this crack is and whether or not it is of any consequence and whether or not they are taking any action with regards to filling this crack. Let's listen in to what the Atal Setu project manager has to say.
सर्विस रोड जो है टेम्पररी कनेक्टिंग रैम्प 5, ये जो है मेन ब्रिज का जो है कनेक्टिंग पार्ट है, जो कोस्टल रोड न बनने की वजह से लास्ट मोमेंट में बनाया गया है। यहाँ पे कॉम्पेक्शन हुआ था, हाउएवर ये नियर बाई खाड़ी रहने से पहली बारिश में सॉइल सेटल होता है, तो दिस आर दी माइनर क्रैक्स, और ये जो है माइनर क्रैक्स में फिलिंग का ऑलरेडी काम चालू हो गया है, इनका शाम तक के रिपेयर हो जाएगा और इसकी वजह से कोई ट्रैफिक डिस्टर्ब नहीं हुआ है। पब्लिक का जो है नॉर्मल ट्रैफिक चल रहा है एंड पब्लिक को कोई इनकन्वीनियंस नहीं होने दिया जा रहा है।
Shweta joins us now. Shweta, there are a lot of environmental factors that impact new bridges. I know that for a fact. But what is the explanation here? And are there really many cracks, or is this just a case of one crack and the Congress making a lot out of it?
Well, what we have understood, these are the minor cracks on the approach road, not exactly on Atal Setu. Point number one. We also see that now a fresh political slugfest has erupted over the newly inaugurated Atal Setu. Just 6 months back, PM Narendra Modi inaugurated it, and the total cost is 17,843 crore. Now, this is one of the Asia's, in fact, largest sea bridge, and here what we understand is that on the approach road, in fact, the visual speaks for themselves here. On the approach road, we see that there are minor cracks due to the heavy rain lash out which has happened of recently. Here the even engineers are trying to explain that these cracks have erupted due to the rain and because of the soil. And here we see that these are the assault breakouts, the assault cracks which have taken place. But here the opposition, especially Congress, has kept no stone unturned when it comes to the Atal Setu, and they have been targeting the ruling government over this. Now, we have seen series of tweets coming out to talk about Nana Patole or Supriya Sune. They have been hitting out that this is the corruption which is ongoing. But most importantly, here we see that engineering-wise also, there have been no harm or there have been no cracks on the Atal Setu. In fact, no traffic congestion had even taken place. This is just the approach road which takes towards the Atal Setu.